Good morning and welcome to this Yorkshire Gardener's vlog for today. Today is the first day of spring and wow, it is absolutely glorious today. I'll definitely be taking my jumper off in a sec, but I've kept it on for the promo bit. So yeah, lots and lots to do today. I've got painting to do, I've got beds to sort out, I've got stuff to clear away, I've got videos to make for you guys and girls, how to plant your rhubarb from seed, cutting back raspberries, planting onion bulbs. Yeah, so lots to come today, so stay tuned for the videos. Thanks for watching. So yesterday I finished off planting all the strawberry plants, so now I just need to finish off this area, all the beds, get them all another coat of paint, and then that area should be done. And then I'll be moving on to the next area, which is going to be the potatoes and onions. So yeah, let's get going on this glorious day in spring. Tins of all my raspberry canes. I'll be posting a video up shortly on how to do it, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and hopefully I'll get 50 more plants this year. So yeah, so I've repainted my beds, so they're looking a lot better now. Well, I've noticed I've missed a little bit there. So I've cleared in front of my polytunnel. Down this front I'm going to have a path continuing from where I am all the way down, and then to this side bit here I'm going to have my beans, my peas growing. I'm moving them to this area this year. As you can see, the sun is shining straight on them, so it's an ideal spot. So hopefully I'll have lots of peas this year. So I just need to build my frame, build my path and build my edging. So let's see how we get on. Side of my polytunnel, my rhubarb's growing brilliant, look at that. I've noticed quite a lot of people have been picking it already, but unfortunately mine's not ready for picking yet. But if this warm weather stays, I'll have to start watering them and get them growing huge. So down this side of the polytunnel is another area of soil. So I'm going to plant my strawberry plants, what I've got left over down this side. As like I said, you can never have enough strawberries, so let's get them all planted. So it's all cleared out now and dug over, so I just need to start planting my strawberries. I planted a couple before, just to see how they went, and they seem to have taken, so I'm going to do them all the way down the edge. I'm going to plant them towards the back end, as in front of them I'm going to plant flowers until they're established, so I won't get many strawberries on them this year. So I'll put flowers in front just to keep it looking a bit more pretty. All watered, so settle in. I've not watered them too much, it's quite wet down this side of the polytunnel. So yeah, they will look great when they all start flowering and get strawberries on. So that's my new pathway down the side. My peas are going to go in the side, and then I might have another row of strawberries in front and then flowers in front of that. So yeah, just need to paint this again once it's dried tomorrow and then get the pathway down. And it should look pretty smart. We're getting there on this first bit. So wow, it's been a scorch over day today. Possibly looking a bit red. I forgot to put the suntan cream on. I should have known better. I've got absolutely loads done today. I've got the new area dug over where my new path is, and where my peas are going to go. I've also filmed 3 new videos on how to for you, so stay tuned for them. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll get notified as soon as they go up. If not, you'll just see them pop up on the Facebook group as and when. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please do, it means a lot. The how-to videos are on how to prune your raspberries, how to take cuttings from your raspberries, how to plant rhubarb seeds from scratch, and also how to plant onion bulbs indoors. So 3 worthy videos for you to watch when they're uploaded. Please remember to like and comment below, and like I said, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thank you for watching today's vlog, and remember, keep gardening.